Music plays a role of being a confidant, a pillow that you can cry on, maybe like माँ की गोदी जिसमें आप सर रख के रो सकते हैं. I think it's as comforting as that.
तो आपने बोला माँ की गोदी, सुनने में आता है कि आप और आपकी अम्मी जुड़ी हुई हैं, वो हर जगह जाती है जहाँ पे आप परफॉर्म करती हैं. एंड व्हाई इज दैट? आई वो जो अम्बिलिकल कॉर्ड कटी नहीं है या जुड़ी रही है क्योंकि इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप है?
हाँ, शायद वो कॉर्ड डॉक्टर का नाम भूल गए. Because it's almost invisible, but it's there. Because बचपन से अभी तक मम्मा हमेशा मेरे साथ रही है. We are like inseparable. You can say that. She's been my biggest support. चाहे मैं recordings में जाऊँ, concerts में जाऊँ, मेरे shows में जाऊँ, मम्मा हमेशा मेरे साथ होती है. Now I'm married, but
You live together?
no, we sadly don't.
Oh, I sadly don't. You know, I'll tell you, when I was a undefeated Sanskrit recitation champion of Delhi and through that across India
Wow.
from class 6 through 12. One recitation competition, my mother didn't show up in time. And as I began my recitation, I looked at the audience, I couldn't see her. And I came silver medal Mila Ustad. Only one time. And mom said, Baba, you did very well. I said, no, I lost. And she said, it doesn't matter. I said, it does because you didn't show up in time. And I was looking for her. When you sing, and you sing in front of big audiences, do you look for your mom? Who do you sing for? For mom, for your husband, for dunya, for yourself, or upar wala kiske
I
gaati?
think I sing for the higher power. So whenever I perform, every performance is dedicated to the supreme power. But yes, I look for validation from my mom all the time. Even when I record at the studio, sab wah wah kar rahe hote hain, but I have to look at her and she's very critical of my work. Very, very critical. So अगर मम्मा से तारीफ मिल गई है मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी बात हो गई है. So I always look at her for the final saying, yeah.
अब अपने दामाद के साथ भी क्रिटिकल है, उनको खुला छूट मिलता है दामाद को, मिथुन जी को.
उनके साथ वो बहुत biased है.
He can get away with murder.
Yes, quite literally.
How Indian that is. The Indian mothers are very good to their son-in-law. How does your relationship work? You know, to have two people with similar talents live under one roof.
Mhm.
Do you compete with one another? Do you challenge one another? Do you sometimes hurt one another because of the competition, or you found that happy, sweet balance where everything is perfect?
So when people see us together, the first thing that strikes to them is that we both belong to the same profession. But honestly speaking, our profession or us coming from the same musical background, so to say, is the good part of our association.